I am Claes Magnusson, and this is a tutorial about how to load segmentations in the Baxter algorithms. So the Baxter algorithms has a lot of built-in segmentation functions, but if you have your own algorithm or if you found a software package which gives very good segmentations for your cells, then you can also import segmentations. So here I have a dataset with two image sequences of cells that have fluorescent cytoplasm. I'll start by opening that experiment in the program. So I go to open it, and I'll play it just to show you what the data looks like. This is an image sequence from the ISBI cell tracking challenges. And as my segmentation, I will use the ground truth segmentation from the cell tracking challenges. So the format of the images are 16-bit label images, where the background has the value 0, the first object has pixel values of 1, the second object has values of 2, and so forth. So I will open one of these images in MATLAB just to show you what it looks like. So I'll read the image sequence, or I'll just read the first image, and I'll display it using a scaled visualization function, and I will use a gray color map. So here you can see that the pixel values in the first object, they are 1, and the background has the value 0, and this object is object 7, so all of the pixels in that object will have the value 7. And the reason that you cannot see these objects in these images is that the value 7 is very small compared to the maximum value in a 16-bit image. But to import this segmentation into the program, you go inside the analysis folder and you create a new folder. The name of that folder has to start with the word segmentation. And in this case I will call it ground truth, as it is a ground truth segmentation. And I'll just place these two folders inside the folder that I just created. And these two folders have to be named the same thing as the two folders with the actual images. But the image files themselves don't have to be named the same thing. It's enough that they are ordered in the same way. So now I will go to set segmentation parameters. And here I want to select the segmentation algorithm for loading, but it's not available yet because I haven't selected the advanced level. But if I select the advanced level, I can go to segment import. Then I need to select the segmentation folder that I just created, the ground truth folder. Then I press update to see what the segmentation looks like. I can even play it to see what it looks like in the different images. And then there's also a different option called segment import binary. where the segmentation is imported as a binary segmentation mask that can be processed using the post-processing functions of this user interface. So for example, I could set the minimum area to, say, 2000 pixels, and that removed these three objects. Or I could add something like a watershed transform, which breaks regions that are not round in this case when I have the shape option selected. But I won't do that now, so I'll select the normal import, and I save this for all of the image sequences. And then I can go ahead and change some other settings and track the cells in the images. But there are other tutorials about how to do that.